Welcome to ERC Basics. Hello, this is Patrick Talley with information about the Employee Retention Tax Credit Program, commonly known as the ERC. This program was first introduced in the CARES Act on March 25, 2020. There's a benefit for 2020 and 2021 which equals a total of up to $26,000 per employee. That means if your business has 10 employees, your refund could be as high as $260,000. If your business has 100 employees, your refund could be as high as $2,600,000. Since this program is designed for small to medium-sized businesses, you can take advantage of ERC with as little as 1 employee and a maximum of 500 employees. This is a fully refundable tax credit, not a loan like the PPP loan program was. This money is paid to the business owner via a check from the IRS, but just like your personal and business income taxes, you have to file a claim for it. The government's not just gonna send you a check. Just like filing your taxes, this program is very complex and convoluted, unless you have a specialist prepare the paperwork and submit it to the IRS on your behalf. We use 2 different services, based on the size of your business employee count. If you have 1 to 9 employees, we use a service that specializes in small businesses, and have helped over 6,000 businesses receive over $1.1 billion in refunds and qualified over 108,000 employees. The average recovery is $17,000 per employee. If you have 10 to 500 employees, we use the service that specializes in mid-sized to large-sized businesses, and have helped over 7,000 businesses receive over $3.98 billion in refunds, and qualified 189,000 employees. The average recovery is $21,000 per employee. This is not a one-size-fits-all business and you only have one shot. If you mess it up, you cannot apply again, so it's important that you do it right the first time. It's important to note that this is not a government handout program, but a return of monies that have been paid to the Treasury for decades in the way of Social Security and Medicare taxes, both by the employer and the employees. Since it's not a loan, it doesn't have to be paid back. You can use the money in any way you want. Reward all the employees that stayed with you, buy new equipment for your business, update the systems in your business, purchase additional inventory, or buy a new building. You can even use the money for yourself, so if you borrowed money to keep your business open during COVID, or since COVID, repay yourself. Many business owners remortgaged their homes to keep their businesses open. Pay off those loans, buy a boat, pay off credit card debt or anything else that you want to do with the money as it's yours to keep, and again, it does not have to be repaid. I've run into so many people that do not think they qualify for ERC. I run into many business owners that have been told by their bookkeepers, accountants, and even their CPAs that they don't qualify for ERC. Nothing could be farther from the truth. Financial people only consider the financial aspect, but this program is 50% legal and 50% financial. There are hundreds of pages of IRS guidelines that control this program. And if you only understand one portion of this program, it's easy to think you don't qualify. But everyone was affected by the government mandates, restrictions, lockdowns, shutdowns and supply chain issues that were created. It's our job to figure out how much you were affected. Please don't pre-disqualify your business from money that you deserve because of government decisions that were made that you had no control over. We're here to help you get your maximum refund. Unlike your CPA, bookkeeper and accountant, we know that businesses that made more money during COVID than they had previously, can qualify for ERC. We know that because we've helped those businesses as well. We have CPAs that have referred business to us because they just don't have the time or the expertise to handle the claims. Don't let your business be the guinea pig for an accountant or CPA that doesn't have the knowledge, experience or time to handle your ERC claim properly. Although this process is very complex, we're not asking you to stop doing your business to do the filing. That's our job. The IRS does require documents to be submitted along with your application. Those are standard just like when filing your income taxes. Our difference is your story. Your story is how we support your claim along with your financial documents. Your story is why we get a better result than industry average with the ERC. To start, we need your business income taxes for 2019, 2020 and 2021. We also need your quarterly tax documents, 941s, for 2020 and 2021, so be prepared to submit those through our secure file transfer system. Then we'll work with you on your story to make sure you get the maximum refund possible. With just some basic contact information and your employee count for 2020 and 2021, we can give you an estimate of what your refund will be. Only after we collect your documents and build your story can we tell you exactly what your refund will be. If you get your documents to us, we only need a couple of weeks to do the financials and build your story. Once we determine that your information is ready and with your permission, we'll file your claim with the IRS and wait for them to process it. The time to process depends on the IRS. Sometimes it's as short as 60 days, sometimes it's longer depending on the time of year. If you file around April 15th or October 15th, plan to wait longer. We guarantee that our calculations are correct. We also guarantee that our filings with the IRS as a paid preparer are compliant with program rules and regulations. We also provide long-term audit support and carry E&O, errors and omissions, insurance coverage with a $1 million limit per claim. We use proprietary software to perform calculations to eliminate human error in doing the math for your claim. With both of our companies you have dedicated onboarding specialists, then make sure your process starts smoothly and ends with the maximum benefit to your business. Our CPAs prepare all of your filing documents, then send to you for signature and forward them to the IRS for payment. You pay your fee for our services after you receive your check from the IRS. If you don't qualify for whatever reason, you owe us nothing. So you have nothing to lose by applying to see if you qualify. By the way, 80% of businesses in America probably qualify for ERC funds. As of today, November 15, 2022, only 10% of businesses have applied. That means 90% of American businesses can still apply, but most businesses either don't know about the program or have been told they don't qualify by someone who doesn't understand the program. If you're the skeptical type that thinks everything is too good to be true, please pause this video, go to www.irs.gov and in the search bar type in ERC to review the hundreds of pages on the ERC COVID program. Then come back and finish this video, please. The bottom line is there is over $2.2 trillion in the bank account of the Treasury Department that's designated for small to medium businesses just like yours in this country to help recover some of the losses they experienced because of government regulations during COVID. Connect with us today so we can make this complex process simple and get the money you deserve as quickly as you can. Remember, the money is there, but you have to apply for it just like you do on your income taxes. If your business has 1 to 9 employees, click on www.linkqspatricktalley.com in the description and follow the prompts to start your process. If your business has 10 to 500 employees, click on www.ercpatricktalley.com in the description and follow the prompts link to start your process. If you would like to join our team as an agent, please go to www.ercpatrick.com. There are additional videos on both of the links to answer even more of your questions. Our mission statement is, "No business left behind." We need thousands of agents to help spread the word about ERC to the 30 million businesses in all 50 states. Work from home. Flexible hours. Generous commissions. Build a team, if you like. Overrides. Bonuses. If you have any questions, please feel free to call or text me at 407-417-1096. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.